Welcome back to Touring Plans TV. I'm Angela Dahlgren, and this mess behind me is exactly what we're talking about today. I reached out to you on Twitter and asked if you'd want to see how I pack my family of 4 for a trip to Walt Disney World, and a lot of you said yes. So this is going to kind of be a vlog type video where I bring you to the store with me and show you what I buy, kind of show you what the days leading up to the trip are like with packing. Normally I would pack probably 3 or 4 days before the trip, but you got me packing about 6 days beforehand, so thank God for this video. I'm really on top of things this year. So let the mess begin. Okay, so it's Wednesday, 6 days before the trip, and I am at Target. You guys, this is real life. This is what I look like in the morning. It's rough. I'm here to just get some things that I need, some kind of basic staples that I need before Florida. So that's sunscreen, that is like allergy pills and nasal spray for my allergies. We get them really bad there. And then little toiletry bottles like shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that. So that's what we're getting today. I will show you some clips and let's go in. No, I need this. Ugh. It's really rainy out, but I'm done. I got what I needed. Now we're gonna head back to my house and start the packing process. Okay, so the best way I like to start off packing is by putting all of my stuff for the trip in one room. That way it's all there to be packed in one space and I don't have to freak out that I'm missing anything. So this is what I have gathered thus far, including our Halloween costumes for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Can you guess what we're going as? So since the weather's finally starting to get colder in Minnesota, I've started a load of the kids' laundry so I can pack all of their shorts and t-shirts today. So while that's going, I'm going to make a final packing list. So let's get started on that. So I've made the kids' packing list, so I just wanted to show you that. Now, I am very, very detailed when it comes to making a packing list. I don't just write toothbrush / toothpaste. I give them their own like little spot like toothbrush, toothpaste, iPad charger, because I don't want to forget anything. So I'm going to show you that. Also, I tend to be an overpacker. I'm trying to work on that this trip. I don't think it's going to happen. And I also put a to-do list on the same sheet as well. The to-do list isn't completely filled out right now because I don't know what I have to do. I'm still 6 days out, but I just wanted to show you kind of a general, typical list of what it looks like when I travel, if that makes sense. Okay, so it's 5 days before the trip and I'm just kind of showing you how I pack my kids' stuff. I like to just kind of arrange their stuff by outfits. So I had my daughter pick out her dresses. Those are her feet. So we have dress, and then on top we have undies, shorts, and socks. And you can either roll these up into an outfit or just fold it over. It's completely up to you. I'll show you what I do in a bit. So this is everything that the kids need, minus a jacket and then a pair of shorts that still needs to be washed. As you can see, I have packing cubes. This is something that's new for me. I got 2 of these sets, so I think I'm gonna try to see if the kids' clothes will fit in maybe the bigger one or maybe their pajamas, just to see if it really maximizes space. But yes, let's load them all up in the suitcase. So as you can see, I decided to roll my kids' clothes. These packing cubes are amazing. I don't know why I didn't buy them sooner. Let me know if you prefer packing cubes or not using them. I love them. They make everything look so nice and organized in the suitcase, which, since I'm an organizer, is like a huge thrill in my life. Is that sad? I don't know. It just made me really, really happy. So you'll see that in the top left-hand corner, that's where I put their swimsuits, their costumes, I don't know, like pool diapers. And then in the top right-hand corner is where my son's clothes went. And then the bottom right-hand corner is where all my daughter's clothes were. And look, I mean, they're so contained. They just look so nice and organized. It was so easy. And this is a carry-on suitcase, so it's not even a big one. And then the bottom left-hand corner are where I keep their blankies because my kids are blankie babies. Then I filled in extra space with pants and whatever else they needed. You know, ear protectors and whatnot. Right there I have wipes, overnight diapers, another pair of ear protectors, and I was pretty much packed. I just needed to add the toothbrushes and then we were good to go. Oh, and my daughter's hair stuff, that too. All right, we are 4 days out from the trip. Now it's on to their carry-ons. They each have their own because they're not sitting together. It's gonna be me and my son and my husband and my daughter. So it just makes more sense for them to each have their own. I'm gonna show you what I pack in each of them, and then we will move on to my own suitcase, which my husband and I will just share. let's go. So this is what we have for backpacks. We are big Descendants and Mickey Mouse fans, if you can't tell. I have their jackets because it does get cold in the airplane. Wipes, bags for diapers. We have snacks, things for the plane to keep them busy. Water bottles, those are empty, but we can fill them up once we get through security. I think I already said diapers. Wet ones, iPads, headphones, very important. But that is pretty much what goes in their carry-on. All right, let's pack it up. This part is just me packing my kids' carry-ons. It's not very exciting. I like to put the more accessible things like, I don't know, the hand sanitizer, the wet wipes, chargers in the front pocket, sunglasses. Like I said, it's not very exciting. Also, going back to what was in their suitcase, if you're wondering why I didn't have more diapers in there, it's because we like to get those things at Disney. We're gonna have family there, so they're just gonna buy diapers for us, but you can have groceries delivered on site, or if you're renting a car, you can just go to the grocery store and get them yourself. But like I said, you can have the groceries delivered, and we have an article all about grocery delivery that I will link below this video. This is just showing you how I scribble things out on my packing list as I pack the things. Okay, on to my husband and my suitcase. This isn't super exciting, but I'll explain it anyway. That has our costumes for the Halloween party, as well as all of our underwear and boxers and swimsuits. So it fits all of that. That's the biggest packing cube. That's all my stuff on that side. Not too exciting. And then those are all of my husband's shirts. You can see we did not roll our clothes this time. I don't know, I changed it up. I was feeling a little wild. And then those are his socks. I don't know why I'm narrating this. I mean, it's just clothes, you guys. I don't know. I should never narrate a documentary. I would just be terrible. More clothes and shorts. Here, I rolled up some stuff. Changing it up. Can you tell I've had too much coffee? Okay, these are the tiniest packing cubes, and here I have our ponchos, goggles, and pool toys. Oh, and magic bands. This is why I love packing cubes. Normally this would be thrown in like a Ziploc bag, but it fits right there. So nice and accessible. And the second tiny packing cube just has our sunscreen and some detergent for the kids for doing their laundry. And it just all goes in there. And that goes right on top of the first tiny packing cube. Whenever we travel anywhere, we are never without a fan. You can also request a fan at the Disney resorts and they will give one to you, but we always travel with a fan for when we sleep. This shoe bag is where I'm putting my shoes. Normally we use a plastic bag, like a Target one. The shoes are peeking out. It's much bigger. It would probably fit 2 pairs of sandals, but I just wanted you to see what was inside. And so the shoes go in there. And then we have our toiletries. I just threw some in there for now because I wasn't unpacking. But we have our toiletries, my husband's, mine, and then my makeup bag. So you can kind of see how that fits for us. I'll probably do a little like Tetris to make it fit better. And then right there in each little slot will be where our shoes go. And that is how we pack. You can see all of our luggage. My husband and I will also have a carry-on for whatever we want. It's just, again, easier for us to each have our own. Doesn't exactly minimize what we carry, but for us, it's just easier to have our own stuff. I asked on Twitter for your best packing tips, and this is what you had for me. This is by no means the best way to pack for your family. This is simply what I do. If you have any suggestions for how I could make it more efficient, or if you just want to share how you pack for a family trip, please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit TouringPlans.com for more trip planning information. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.